Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel bored because of your ringtone on your cell phone, don't need to be worried guys, because Poco M7 Pro is providing a lot of ringtone with various genre that you can choose one of them, and also you can change it every day because there's a lot of genre of music that you can use to be ringtone. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration, and then after that now you can go to ringtone. And then as you can see, there are a lot of genre of the music, and each genre there are also so many sound. For example, like this, I will choose this one, I will download it, and then now you can choose for whatever you want, and then you can select one. And so yeah, here's the ringtone is already changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.